Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to design a monogram logo. I will make a HJ monogram on Illustrator, but you can make this in pixellab on Android as well. Be sure to watch till the end of the video. Don't forget to drop a like. Today's like aim is 25 likes. Let's get started. Choose the pen tool. Create a straight line by holding Shift and dragging down. Duplicate the line. Select the pen tool. And start drawing a shape like this. It is a matter of just a few clicks. Now, select everything and change the stroke value to 60 pixels. Select everything, and expand it into a shape. We will now start making the monogram look more balanced. Create a rectangle like this. We will be needing this. Drag it just beside the rectangle. Using the direct selection tool, select these anchor points and move them. Now, we have to repeat this step for the other side. Again, select these anchor points. Using the direct selection tool, move them. I will make this side a bit more longer. We can get rid of this shape now. Let's make the other sides balanced. Select the rectangle tool. Create a rectangle like this. Move it here. Now, using the direct selection tool, select these anchor points. And move them. We can get rid of this block as well. Let's add some final touches to the monogram. Select the rectangle tool, and start making a shape like this. Rotate it, and adjust it to the side. Let's do the same for the other sides. Rotate it, and adjust it to the top. Duplicate it, and move it to the other side. Duplicate it again, and move it to the bottom corner. I want to make this side balanced as well. Let's create a rectangle, and drag it here. Select the anchor points. Using the direct selection tool. Oops. Let's try that again. Yes, this looks pleasing. Now, we can delete this block. Select everything, and choose the Shape Builder tool. Let's convert into one whole shape. We are almost done. Select everything, and using the Pathfinder tool, unite them. So, this is the final logo, guys. You can use this method, and create any type of monogram logo. Before you leave, please drop a like, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.